Next, if n divided by 5 leaves a remainder of 3, then the ones digit of n must be. Now if any number divided by 5, it is divisible by 5 only if the last digit is 0 or 5. So any number is divisible by 5 if it has 5 or 0 at the end, that is in units place. So remainder is 3 it is given. So it should be either that last digit should be 5 plus 3 equals to 8 or 0 plus 3 equals to 3, right? Only then the remainder will be 3. Means what? If it is 28, so it is remainder is divided by 5, it is remainder is 3. If it is 23, then divided by 5, remainder is 3. So last digit needs to be 0 or 5 and we need a remainder of 3. So add 3 in both. So it will be either 8 or 3. So the option is 3, 8 means either 3 or 8. Both of them are okay. So C will be the option. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC.